Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ashlee. I'm super excited you came by to check out today's video. Today's video is a hugely exciting one, and that is the Homeschool Mom Box Swap of 2020, the unboxing. So if you guys are brand new to this, have never heard of it before, I think this is the 4th year I've participated in. Rachel from Day to Day Joys takes on the huge task of organizing a loop box swap is basically what it is. And this is like the 4th year she's done it. We're doing it a little bit later this year than ever before. We usually have done this around back to school time. And she just loops up all of the homeschooling moms on YouTube that are interested in participating, and you send a box of goodies to someone that you receive as your buddy, and they don't know that you got them, and then someone else in the loop sends you a box. So this is the 4th year that I've done it. I love doing it every year. It's such a fun thing. I love getting to hear about and meet new homeschooling moms on YouTube, because now there are so many that I'm not even aware of them all. There was once a time where I felt like I kind of knew all of the homeschooling mom channels on YouTube, but not anymore. So I sent a box to Joyful Noise Mama. Her name is Ashlee as well, and I sent her a box. So I'll have her channel linked down below so you can go and check out her video of her unboxing what I sent. I had a lot of fun choosing out things for her. I tried to make it like have a theme to it, like a mom timeout in the afternoon. And so if you want to see what I sent Ashlee at Joyful Noise Mama, then you can go over to her channel, which will be linked down below. I also will have the entire playlist, and there will be a lot of videos of this Homeschool Mom Box Swap linked down below as well. But for today, I am going to be unboxing my box. It arrived yesterday, and I told my husband I have to film this video. We're getting ready to head off to soccer, but I was like, I gotta get in there because I'm dying to know who sent me this package. The label was very discreet, so they didn't give it away. And I did open the box just to take like a peek, but I did not take anything out. So let's get to unboxing this. This is going to be upside down because I don't want to show my address. Okay, so there's a little note in here, and it says, Ashlee, here are some goodies. I hope they brighten your day. From one busy mama to another, I know we often put ourselves on the back burner. I hope this little box is a special treat for you. You're an amazing homeschool mom, and I hope this year is a blessed one for you and your family. Christy Overland from Organized Mom. That is so sweet. Thank you, Christy. So Christy from Organized Mom was my buddy, and she wrapped up everything. You guys are gonna in little they're all individually wrapped, so super cute. So let's start at the top here. This is a super cute reusable tote. It is farmhouse themed, and it's really good size, so thank you so much. I will get a ton of use out of this. This is a really cute bag. I love that a lot. So thank you, Christy. The next thing here, I think this is a candle. I can feel that it's glass, but let's make sure. It is a candle. Oh, and it says blessed on it. So cute. I love this color. It's almost the same color as my shirt. Oh, and it smells amazing. Falling leaves. So cute. Thank you so much. Love that. Okay, this is cool. Day to night handbag insert. What? This goes in your purse? I've seen these before, and this, I mean, you guys, you could never lose your keys. This is really cool. So you put this inside your purse, and then you won't lose all of your belongings in your bag. Genius. I have seen these before and wondered if they worked, so we'll give that a try. My next little package here Ew, it's coffee, so she knew that. This is a desk calendar, and it says today's good mood is sponsored by coffee. That's adorable. Thank you so much. Super cute. And can never have one too many calendars, in my opinion. So I've got 2 more little packages here to unwrap. This, oh, just like a little desk pad here for making lists with Snoopy on it. And then the last one is, these are cute. This is a food office kit with like little clips and little push pins. That's funny. Cute. All right, guys, well, that is the end of my box here from Christy at Organized Mom. Thank you so much, Christy, for my goodies. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate the time you took to individually wrap each item. But that is gonna be it for me, guys. I just wanted to get on and unbox that with you. It's just a fun little thing that I participate in on YouTube each year. And I really appreciate Rachel trying to keep and cultivate community amongst the homeschooling moms here on YouTube, because it's not always the easiest thing to do. So anyways, that is everything. Go watch Ashlee from Joyful Noise Mama to see what I sent her. I was like picturing her in Indiana with all of her fall leaves, just enjoying like an afternoon of meal planning and recipe inspiration while sipping some tea. Now I'm giving things away. So go watch her video. Ashlee, I hope you enjoyed the things that I sent you. And like I said, the playlist will be linked down below. So if you want to watch any more videos on this playlist, you can find them there. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye, guys.